Ever felt like your productivity is stuck in neutral? Like you're juggling a million things, but nothing seems to be moving forward? You're not alone. In today's hyperconnected world, we're constantly bombarded with information and distractions. But what if I told you there's a powerful tool that can help you unlock your full potential, boost your creativity, and streamline your workflow? That tool is Gemini, Google's advanced AI model. But how do you even get started? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to activate your Gemini account and unleash the power of AI. Now, before we dive in, let's understand what makes Gemini so special. It's not just another chatbot. Gemini is a groundbreaking AI model that excels in a wide range of tasks, from generating human-quality text and translating languages to writing different kinds of creative content, and even answering your questions in an informative way. It can help you brainstorm ideas, write compelling stories, summarize complex documents, and much more. Transition to a slightly more energetic tone. So, are you ready to experience the future of AI? Let's get started. Step 1. Access Gemini. Check for availability. Gemini is currently being rolled out gradually. To see if it's available to you, visit the official Google AI website. Look for any announcements or options related to Gemini access. Eligibility. Keep in mind that access might be limited initially. Google may prioritize certain users or regions. Join waitlist. If applicable, if Gemini isn't available to you yet, you can usually join a waitlist. This will notify you when access is granted. Step 2. Account creation or login. Google account. You'll likely need a Google account to access Gemini. If you don't have one, create a new account. Login. If you already have a Google account, simply log in using your credentials. Step 3. Accept terms and conditions. Read carefully. Before you can use Gemini, you'll need to review and accept Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Agree to terms. Once you've reviewed the terms, click Agree or Accept to proceed. Step 4. Explore the Gemini interface. Get familiar. The Gemini interface might vary slightly depending on the platform you're using, e.g., web browser, mobile app. Take some time to explore the different features and options. Start with the basics. Begin with simple prompts to get a feel for how Gemini works. For example, try asking it a simple question, requesting a summary of a short article, or generating a few creative ideas. Step 5. Start using Gemini. Experiment. Don't be afraid to experiment. The possibilities with Gemini are virtually endless. Refine your prompts. The quality of Gemini's output often depends on the clarity and specificity of your prompts. Learn how to formulate effective prompts to get the best results. Leverage Gemini's strengths. Utilize Gemini's strengths, such as its ability to generate different kinds of creative content, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. Tips for maximizing your Gemini experience. Be specific. The more specific your instructions, the better Gemini will understand your needs and provide relevant output. Provide context. Give Gemini as much context as possible to ensure it understands the task accurately. Iterate and refine. Don't be afraid to iterate on your prompts. If the initial output isn't exactly what you're looking for, try rephrasing your request or providing more specific instructions. Explore different use cases. Experiment with different use cases to discover how Gemini can best assist you in your work, studies, or personal life. Safety and ethical considerations. Use responsibly. Remember that AI models like Gemini are powerful tools. Use them responsibly and ethically. Be mindful of bias. Be aware that AI models can sometimes reflect biases present in the data they were trained on. Verify information. Always double-check information generated by AI, especially if it's critical for decision-making. Gemini is a rapidly evolving technology with the potential to revolutionize the way we work, learn, and create. By understanding how to activate and effectively use this powerful tool, you can unlock new levels of productivity, creativity, and efficiency. So, what are you waiting for? Activate your Gemini account today and start exploring the incredible possibilities that await. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.